This is ginseng chicken, and not only will this dish make you look good, but it will also help you lock the hell in as well. And before I say anything else unnecessary, let the food do the talking. Oh, bit of that sauce. Now, do you see this? This sucks. Boring, stripped away from identity. No wonder why your relationship with food is like a toxic ex when you're trying to get in shape. Which is why I am on a mission to make simple, tasty food for busy people that also make you look tasty as well. And today, that brings us to a Korean classic, a dish eaten by athletes and monks that packs with ingredients that replenish your energy and elevate your spirit. So, let's get started, shall we?
First of all, you want to get yourself a bird that you want to sacrifice today. We're gonna put our bird into the sink, add about a tablespoon of salt to rub the chicken. Give it a nice massage, then run it under cold water. So at this point, we're gonna cut off the booty. Shing! And trim off a bit of the excess skin. Shing! Let the fun part begin. Stuffing the chicken. You're going to want to get 100 grams of glutinous rice. I soaked this one in water for 2 hours. Normal rice is fine, but soak it beforehand. Next, you want 5 pieces of dried Chinese date or jujube. Boom. Also around 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, peeled. No need to chop or anything. And the star of the show, the ginseng. This is not actually ginseng because I don't know why it's so hard to find in Australia, but I'm replacing them with the Chinese version. So I'm using Chinese Angelica and Huangqi. So this combo is like a good combo. If you're the general population and you don't have access to the Asian market or whatever, use ginger and green onion. You know, it works. But this one, much better. Let me drain the rice real quick. Get your chicken to stand up. Feed it with a little garlic beforehand. Boom. We're gonna stuff it with a bit of rice. We're gonna layer it kind of like tiramisu, you know, like a bit of garlic, a bit of jujube, a bit of the herb, spices. Then we're gonna repeat it again with more garlic, more rice. So this dish, it's samgyatang. It's used to eat in the 3 hottest day of the year. The Koreans believe that you fight the heat with heat because they believe by then you're gonna like sweat out all of the toxins, which is pretty interesting, you know? Like if you want to defeat the problem, you gotta face it up front, not cool down from it, punch it through. But the dish is eaten by athletes. This is very good for athletic performance. You got ginseng, just think of it as ginseng, all right? Hang on with me. But ginseng is a root with both root chakra, which is for libido, testosterone, blood flow, but also for the crown chakra. It improves thinking, helps support with your intelligence and all that sort. It's like a mixture of both yin and yang. You eat this dish, you kind of like zero yourself down. Because like if we look at the entire dish as a whole, it's very simple. It's just what? Chicken, rice, maybe some aromatics. It's not drowned in seasonings. Makes you appreciate the flavor of the earth. Almost done. Press this down. Hey, get in there, bro. What I like to do at this point is kind of like crisscross the chicken's feet, tucks in the rice. Bada bing, bada boom, we got a gift present. Let's cook this thing. Get yourself a medium-sized pot, enough to fit the bird in. Slide it in there, nice and tight. And if the rice is like spilling out a bit, don't worry, it's fine. You're gonna pour in a liter of water in. It's coming up. Probably fed it a bit too much, but nah, it's fine. So at this point, what I like to do for the broth to taste even better is I put in 3 slices of ginger and a stick of green onion cut into rough chunks. Put it in, extra umami and some sweetness, and you're done. Literally, that's it. Skim a bit of these bubles out for a clear broth. Booyah! Water is getting nice and clear. We're gonna cover this with a lid. Unfortunately, I don't have one, so I'm gonna use this pan. And you're gonna want to put this at medium low, all right? With the lid on, you should leave it a bit open. Check this out. After learning the principles of how to eat to get lean, you start to apply it with culturally driven food. Because a lot of people think, oh yeah, dieting, you have to eat like chicken, broccoli, and rice. Like the detachment from the cultural identity is what scares most people away from like eating healthy. And once I realized that I can still eat good while looking good, like it's, like most people don't realize it, you know? But yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. And if you like my recipes and what I'm cooking up, check out my food collection. It's a Spotify of protein-filled, culturally driven food for $5 a month. And you get access to beautiful recipes. I'll see you guys in and out. Woof. Oh my God. Let's pull this baby out. Oh my God, it smells so good. Oh. All right. It's so soft. Ugh. Woo. Pour this liquid gold of a broth over this chicken. This is like a fountain of youth. My God. Sheesh. That date. Some green onions on this baby. Bam. I'm gonna make a super simple sauce to go with it. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm using this organic tamari soy sauce. This is the good stuff because the soy is like uncontaminated. It's not mixed with gluten. And for my test maxers out there, when you ferment the soy, it breaks down all that phytoestrogen. So it's super good. Soy sauce, Levi certified. Also get 2 spoons of that broth, a spoon of honey for that sweetness, add a dash of black pepper, some green onions I just cut, and a bit of a minced garlic for that punch. Ooh, that's beautiful. Oh, this is the final result. We got the ginseng chicken, motherfucker. We got a line of salt, the sauce, woo! And yeah, this is my housemate cooking. Also, I'm using a MacBook for lighting.
Yo, let's dig in, guys. First of all, as always, we got the broth. So pure, filled with collagen. This is just gold. How tender is this baby? Oh shit! Oh god, it tastes on a bit of that sauce. Oh my God, this is fucking crazy, bro. Give me that line of salt. Oh my, so simple, but also so elegant. Open our Christmas gift, shall we? Oh, see the breast? The breast is literally oozing in juice. Ooh, taste the glutinous rice that has been soaking everything up. This is just beautiful. Wait, give me rice with sauce. Crazy. This is baloney. Look, chicken breast, normally super hard to make it good, cook dry, like white people try it. Like all TikTok, Instagram reel, how to cook chicken breast. This is how you cook chicken breast. Buy it low and slow, cook with love. Oh my God, look at this. I wish you guys are here. Check this out. If you cook this kind of dish, you have 2 meals basically. This is basically meal prep without even you realizing it. You can cook what? If you have a bigger pot, 2 chicken at a time, you can just get the meat, split it out into 3-4 days, and you always hit your protein intake. Perfect for losing weight, hitting your goal, and connecting with your roots. Oh my God. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my cookbook. Peace.